You are trying to play a .cpi file, but nothing is happening. That's because this isn't the video, it's just the metadata describing the video. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you which file in that folder is the actual video clip. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the CPI error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. The initial data segments confirm the CPI is part of the metadata index file repository. It is stored using the AVCHD Video Clip InFileion format. The CPI file is a proprietary video stream metadata file generated by digital camcorders using the AVCHD format. It is a small text or binary file that stores essential information about a video clip, such as the clip's creation time, frame rate, and aspect ratio. Developed by Adobe Systems for Premiere Pro, the design rules are part of the AVCHD specification. The file must be present alongside the video file, MTS or M2TS, in the original folder structure. Attempting to open the CPI file alone is pointless, as it only contains metadata. Its purpose is to instruct the video editing software, like Premiere Pro, on how to correctly interpret the accompanying video stream. The source application for CPI is frequently listed as Adobe Premiere Pro CC from Adobe Systems Incorporated. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows offers little insight into index contents, so reviewing them requires compatible software. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the CPI file and select Open With. Test Adobe Premiere Pro CC if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the CPI format uniquely. If you still can't open the CPI file, it's okay. There's no need for deep technical analysis yet. If the CPI file is stuck, the issue is almost always found in one of three places. Here's a simple guide on what to check. First, restore system. Use Windows System. Restore to revert the PC back to the latest restore point or backup image created before the error occurred. Next, reinstall associated software. Uninstall and then reinstall the relevant program, e.g. Adobe Captivate or Paragon Partition Manager, that uses the CPI file. Finally, perform Windows Update. Run a Windows Update to ensure your operating system is up to date, as many CPI errors are related to outdated Windows components. If the application test fails, the CPI file is blocked by a technical barrier. The professional tool is designed specifically to try and break through this type of issue. For reliable results, I highly endorse FileMagick. Its unique ability to instantly display contents, even from a corrupted CPI archive, makes it the ultimate solution. Find it at filemagick.com. That concludes the tutorial. Look forward to the next one. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.